another video. In this video we'll show you how to disable your form automatically if there is no internet connection. It's pretty straightforward. So let me show you how it's done. Let's say we create a awesome form here which includes something like full name, something like email, and a standard submit button like that. And now basically what we want to do is we want to allow entries into our database, which is great, but we also want to disable the form if it's offline. We don't want them seeing stuff that they don't need to see. So what you do is you get a hidden field onto the layout, and then you can call this let's say internet's on or something like that for now. And then what you can do is, if I can spell internet correctly, errors, that's funny. Okay, yeah. So internet on, and then here system value, you can choose something called is online. And what this means is right now I'm connected to Wi-Fi. What you'll find is it is equals true. But when a form goes offline, this will go to false. So what you can do is this. You can say set conditions if current field equals false, and that might be false with a lowercase f. Then go ahead and you know what? I want my full name to be disabled, I want my email to be disabled, I want my button to be disabled, and that's it. So now if I click save and preview this, you'll find everything will be enabled because it equals true, right? But if I now go up here and just turn off my Wi-Fi like this, what you'll see is this has now gone to false, and now everything else is disabled. I can't do anything. Pretty cool. Now if I switch my Wi-Fi back on, it's going to come back to true in a second, and then you can see everything is now enabled. Pretty easily done. And you can even put a little message here saying your form is disabled due to no internet access, and then you can show that message as well, something like this. Your form is disabled due to no internet access. And then what you can do is you can let's see, remove this one over here now, make it a bit smaller, like this, and then same conditioning equals false, then my heading I'm going to show, otherwise I'm going to hide. So now if I refresh this, everything's going to be working fine as expected because it equals true. The moment I turn my Wi-Fi off, it's going to go to false, and then voila, your form is disabled due to no internet access. And that's how it's done. Very, very simple. You just get your hidden field and then choose the system value is online, and if it equals true, it's online, false, it's offline, and then you can do whatever you want to do with it. That's how it's done.